Let me show you guys what is. So I'm so excited. Manifesting the camera. I had a cap in. Hello, good afternoon. Today is Monday. Welcome back to a new vlog. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my loves. Today is Monday. Good afternoon. And I just got back from night shift. I did night shift for someone because she did morning shift for me. I was not supposed to do night shift. So I just got back. I've not really been feeling fine. I've actually been sick. Like I took injection, drip, and medications, but I'm getting better. I'm actually better, but I'm just a little bit kind of dizzy, but like I'm way better. I'm on medication. So the previous vlog was a little bit small, was short. So not a little bit, it was actually short, and I don't want to be doing short vlogs anymore. I want my vlogs to be at least 15 minutes and above. If I want to be trying to make my vlogs to be up to 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Seriously, I've been slacking behind on my vlogs and my socials as a whole, like my TikTok. I've actually been busy and sick, and by God's grace, this last week of the month slash next week, we are going to be locked in, very locked in. I really want to take this very serious and focus on what the right things to do, you get. So I was gifted something. I was gifted a footwear and a cap. So this is the footwear. I love the packaging. Let me show you guys what is in here. I've never had this color of footwear before, so I'm so excited about it. I love the quality. The quality is so good. I'm going to wear so you guys will see how it fits on my leg. Next thing I was gifted is this face cap. If you know me, I really love face cap. And I really love this one because it's kind of baby pink. And I've never had a cap in this color. So I'm so excited about this. So yeah, so I'm about to clean the room. My room is a little bit messy, not even a little bit messy, because I've not been strong enough to actually clean or do laundry or anything. So I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup and make breakfast. I'm going to be taking oats for breakfast today. So let's get into that. But before then, let me show you guys how my footwear is on my leg. Guys, I just came back from the tailor shop like you just saw. I actually went to two different tailors to because but I could not like vlog in the other tailor because it was so hard for me to find their store because that's my first time going there. Yeah, so today is Wednesday and I just got back from work. I did a morning shift today and I got food. I'm actually eating fried rice myself. So, but that's not why I'm here. I just came to say hi to you guys and show you guys my heel. Like I said in the previous vlog, if you've not watched the previous vlog, don't forget to watch it, like and subscribe to the channel. And the the heel just arrived today. It's not actually the initial heel I wanted. There's a particular heel I wanted, but it's actually sold out in most vendor store. They said it's already sold out. So I went for this. But the main purpose why I got this heel was actually achieved on this heel. Like I wanted it this tiny kitten heels, like this very, very tiny heel, and that's exactly what I got. I love it. Let me show you guys very. Hello, today is Thursday and I'm about to cook soup. I just got back from work. I did a morning shift today, so you're going to come with me as I cook soup. Yeah, I just want to edit and watch movie. That's all we're going to be doing for this night. And yeah, like I said before, I'm manifesting a camera and a wig. I want a wig by the end of this year. By the end of the year, but I don't know the specific type of wig I want to buy. Please, this thing should load now. I know it's not focused. And this pen has actually been really, really helpful. Like very, very helpful. It makes my editing so much easier. Let me go a little bit backwards. I really like this angle. I really like this angle. I know I've said it like 1 million times. I'm going to be filming more in this angle. So let's start our editing now. Road to 400 subscribers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we're going to grow. And I have other socials. I'm on TikTok and Instagram. We're more active on TikTok than Instagram, but you can actually follow me on both. Mwah. My light went off, but we are still going to be talking like that. Like, we're still going to be talking. Is that my portable small light that I'm using currently? That's the only light I actually have, not one that I'm using currently. So let's edit. So let me just say this thing. When I'm done editing, I'm going to just watch movie and sleep. I have morning, no, I have afternoon shift tomorrow. So I'll use the opportunity and wash my clothes. My clothes are very, very dirty. Like 1 week of clothes, 1 week of piled clothes are here. I need to wash tomorrow because after my afternoon, my night is starting. And guys, I have a news for you guys. After this month ends, I'm going on a leave. That's I'll stop working for a while. Yeah, because I have things to prepare for that is coming on the channel. So you stay tuned so you can see what is actually coming up. You get, you get. So let's continue editing. Let me show you guys what I'm editing. My loves, good morning. Today is Friday, and I just finished washing my clothes. I'm so tired. It was not much though, but like it's a week worth of clothes. So I just finished washing it and cleaning. I'm about to take my shower, brush my teeth, eat, and just rest because I'm on afternoon shift today. And yeah, but before then, I really want to actually create content today. I want to create content, short form content today. But I don't have like I normally like plan my content, but right now I don't know actually what I want to. I might just scroll through Pinterest or TikTok to just have inspo of what I should post. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. And yeah. So we've come to the end of the vlog. I hope this vlog actually reaches 15 minutes. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join the family. Mwah. See you next week.